Today I'm going to show you how to make easy and healthy oats. 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cup boiled water, simply keep it closed and leave it for 5 minutes. Let it cook itself. Now let us open and see what happened. It's beautifully cooked. Now it's the time to add your favorite ingredients. I'm going to add some sultanas, that is dried grapes, and some honey, you can also add some flax seeds or some chia seeds, but you should add this before you pouring the water, or some pine nuts. You can add pine nuts even now, or your favorite fruit. You can peel it, chop it and add it to your porridge, but I'm not using it today. Here is a healthy version of oats. Just mix them up. If you want to add milk, you can add milk here. Easy and healthy version of porridge. Your favorite oats. If you like to watch videos like this, please follow me on my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.